How to practice English alone every day, only 15 minutes. Hi everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Have you ever felt frustrated because you have big goals for your English, but you feel like you have absolutely no time to study? Most people believe that to reach fluency, you need to spend hours sitting at a desk every single day. But today, I want to change that mindset. I'm going to show you that 15 minutes is all it takes if you know exactly what to do. In this video, I will provide you with a precise, actionable, 15-minute routine that you can do entirely alone, anytime, and anywhere. The Power 15 Inches Method ***. So, what is the secret? We are going to use the Power 15's method. The concept is simple. We divide 15 minutes into 3 specific 5-minute blocks. This structure keeps your brain fully engaged, prevents boredom, and makes the practice feel manageable even on your busiest days. Here is the roadmap. First 5 minutes, speaking shadowing for reflex training. Second 5 minutes, thinking and journaling to build active vocabulary. Third 5 minutes, active listening to improve comprehension. 3 steps in detail. Step 1. Speaking shadowing 5 minutes. Let's start with the first 5 minutes, shadowing. Find a short 30-second clip of a native speaker. It could be a movie scene or a YouTube video. Listen to one sentence, pause the video, and repeat it immediately. Your goal is to mimic their tone, speed, and emotion. Don't worry about grammar rules here. Treat it like music. If you can copy the rhythm and the vibes of the language, you will sound much more natural over time. Step 2. Thought journaling 5 minutes. Next, for 5 minutes, we do thought journaling to write down 3 things that happened in your day using simple sentences. Here is the trick. If you don't know a specific word, do not reach for a dictionary immediately. Try to explain what you mean using words you already know. This builds your humble skill, which is one of the most important traits of a fluent speaker. Step 3. Active listening 5 minutes. Finally, spend your last 5 minutes on active listening. Put on a short English podcast or a news report. Instead of just letting it play in the background, listen intentionally. After 5 minutes, try to summarize exactly what you heard into sentences. This trains your brain to filter out irrelevant noise and focus entirely on the main idea. How to build the habit. Knowing the steps is easy. The hard part is doing it every day. I have 2 tips to help you succeed. Habit stacking. Link this 15-minute practice to something you already do every day. For example, do it right after your morning coffee or while you are waiting for the bus. Track your progress. Use a physical calendar and put a big red X for every day you complete your 15 minutes. Seeing a long chain of X's will motivate you to not break the streak. Consistency is the key to everything. Conclusion. Remember, fluency isn't about one long, stressful study session. It's about the accumulation of small, consistent efforts. If you commit to this 15-minute challenge for just 30 days, I guarantee you will notice a massive difference in your confidence. If you are ready to start this journey today, please comment below this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more bite-sized English tips. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.